I'm the National General Secretary of the Mahila Congress. It's a huge pleasure to be in Goa and to be welcomed here as the in-charge for Mahila Congress and the All India Communication in-charge on Mahila issues for the Congress. All our lives, transgender women are told, we're not good enough. कहीं और चले जाओ, आपको देख के दुनिया हंसेगी, आपके लिए यहाँ पे कोई मीनिंगफुल जगह नहीं है. But जिस तरह से राहुल गांधी जी ने वेलकम करके बोला, gender is not an issue. Your talent and skills are important. I think it set the trend for real, true mainstreaming and for inclusion and fairness in the country. But in saying that, I must also draw parallels in the last 4.5 years, the atrocities against women. Rapes against women and children. I work in the area of child rights. I work in the area of child right victim rehabilitation. It has gone out of hand in our country. Women are completely disrespected, and I think as Mahila Congress General Secretary, I've also noticed that Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is the biggest ad slogan for Narendra Modi, but it's actually on the ground a failure scheme. All India Mahila Congress, and as its General Secretary, I will urge every state PCC president to accommodate as many women as possible in seat allocation. Rahul Gandhi ji is pushing for women for 33%. Rahul Gandhi ji, since he's taken up the president as a Congress president, the last 1.5 years, has developed women leaders at the block state levels. My inclusion, also a step in that direction to bring in all communities into power, all communities into inclusion. I encourage the PCC president and I urge the PCC president humbly to also accommodate from the Mahila Congress side as many women candidates as possible. The Goa Mahila Congress President Pratima Coutinho has done exemplary work in the state. I think she has built the profile of the Congress party and also the Mahila unit with hard work and a lot of dignity. I think women must empower other women, and it is my job to lend a helping hand and to encourage the good work of women. So I support Pratima Coutinho's candidacy and I will support her in fighting the good fight, but it depends upon the High Command to decide on seat allocation. If she gets the seat, I will come campaign for her.
But it's always said that Rahul Gandhi new faces should be introduced. So what do you have to say on this?
I think equal opportunity for people across sections of society, rich or poor, backward, forward classes, Dalits, disabled, transgenders. Everybody should be a part of policy and policy shaping. Only then can India be a fair country where we can bring about legislation and schemes to improve all sections of society. So of course, I welcome more women. I welcome all sections of people, new or old faces, it doesn't matter. People with good talents and skills should be recognized and given opportunity. Har pradesh se, har different caste organizations hai, caste-based political parties hai, welfare-based political parties hai, Congress, all kinds of political parties with different agendas are coming together with one agenda now to remove Modi from the Prime Ministership, because Mr. Modi has ruined our economy, has ruined the women's empowerment movement, has ruined industries in our country, only favoring certain industrialists. He's a Pradhan Mantri who spends 64 billion traveling the world. We want an Indian Prime Minister, right? You need to ask the Delhi Congress chief, Ms. Sheila Dikshit and Mr. Rahul Gandhi for the decision they've made. But I'm sure they have their good reasons to kind of not associate with AAP, because I really feel that Congress is a party which is looking for progressive governance and a strong, decisive governance in the center, government in the center. Maybe they had their calculations that AAP will weaken that drive. Women के वार्ड में women को हमको अंदर नहीं भेजा गया, लेकिन बीजेपी जनरल सेक्रेटरी बीना रायकर तो पास के बिना अंदर जा रही है, आ रही है. बहुत सारे मर्द, बहुत सारे आदमी लोग वुमेन्स वार्ड में जाके टॉयलेट यूज कर रहे हैं बिना पास के, लेकिन हमको पास मांगा गया. टीबी के पेशेंट्स फ्लोर पे लेटे हुए हैं फीवर के साथ, और जब एक महिला उस स्थिति में होती है जो टीबी के साथ या फीवर के साथ या कुछ बीमारी के साथ, आदमी लोगों को वहां पे जाना और टॉयलेट यूज करके आना विदाउट नॉट बीइंग देयर फैमिली मेंबर्स इज अगेंस्ट ह्यूमन डिग्निटी. हाइजीन कंडीशंस बहुत बुरे थे हॉस्पिटल में. एमएस प्रेजेंट नहीं था, एमएस एक्सेसिबल नहीं थी हॉस्पिटल में, और किसी को यह पता नहीं था कि एक प्रेग्नेंट वुमन को जो 9 महीने प्रेग्नेंट है 4 घंटे वेट करना पड़ता है एक डॉक्टर को मिलने के लिए. इन न्यू प्रोग्रेसिव इंडिया, I think it's a great insult to women. A pregnant woman, I saw at least 40 women standing in line. कब आए हैं? 8 बजे, 9 बजे. 12:30, 1 o'clock tak doctor not even medical, and they're standing. Is that what Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is? Is that what Nari Shakti-karan is? I think women's empowerment is not good enough if you have a screaming Raksha Mantri in parliament. We need grassroots level empowerment and care for women in this country. And I think BJP has failed on all fronts, because if you look at the Modi ji promised 2 crore jobs per year when he came to power. उस हिसाब से 8 करोड़ जॉब क्रिएट होना चाहिए था. लेकिन आप अगर फिगर्स देखा जाएगा, in 2018 alone 1.5 crore jobs were taken away, and कुल मिला के 4.5 years में 8.8 million women have lost jobs in this country, and unemployment rate is 7.4% in the country. And according to Labour Ministry statistics, Goa में unemployment rate 9.6% है.